Hey everyone, welcome to your first Python tutorial for absolute beginners. I am Nagam Faqih, a computer science professor and Python developer. In this video, you will install Python, understand how Python runs your code, run your first piece of code even if you've never programmed before. Let's dive in. Let's start with a quick question. What exactly is Python? Python is a popular high-level programming language, and high level means that it's easy to read and write. We can use it to build websites, apps, automate tasks, analyze data, and so much more. Think of Python as a language you use to talk to your computer to tell it exactly what to do. To write Python code, we need two things. The Python interpreter, this is the actual engine that runs Python code, and IDE, integrated development environment, this is where we write our code. We will be using PyCharm, one of the most powerful and user-friendly Python editors out there. Install Python. Now let's install Python together. Follow along with me step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official Python website python.org. Click on the Downloads tab. The site usually detects your system and shows the latest version for it. Currently, it's Python 3.13.3. So we click. It might take a minute, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Make sure you check this box that says Add Python to Path. This lets us use Python from the command prompt. So, after that, click on Install Now. After it finishes, so we click Close, and we now open your command prompt on Windows or Terminal on Mac Linux. Since I am on Windows, I'll type cmd in the search bar to find the command prompt. Now type Python space dash dash version and click Enter. If you see a version number like Python 3.13.3, congratulations, you've installed Python successfully. Write your first Python code. Now that we've confirmed Python is installed by checking the version, let's go one step further and access the Python interpreter. In the command prompt, type Python and hit enter. You will now see the chevron prompt appear right here, which indicates that you've entered the Python interpreter. Now, type your first Python code. I'm typing print, which is a built-in function in Python. Then I open the parentheses and quotation marks to write the message I want to display on the screen. Hello world. And hit enter. Python immediately processes your command and prints hello world on the screen. To exit the interpreter, type exit and hit enter. Now that we've exited the Python interpreter, notice that we are back in the regular command prompt. If I try to run a Python line here like print hello and hit enter, it won't work. Instead, I get this error. That's because this command only makes sense inside the Python interpreter. So remember, if you want to write Python code, make sure you are inside the Python interpreter first by typing Python. Interpreter vs compiler. Now you might be wondering, how does your computer actually understand this line of code and show the result instantly? Well, that's because of something called an interpreter. In programming, there are two main ways a computer can understand the code we write. Interpreters, used by Python, JavaScript languages, and compilers, used by C, C++ languages. A compiler reads the entire code. If no errors, it translates the whole program into machine code. This machine code is saved as an executable file that can run independently. The interpreter reads and runs the code line by line. If it finds an error in a line, it stops at that point and shows the error. It doesn't create a separate file, so you need the original code every time you want to run the program. So, in a nutshell, a compiler takes your entire code and translates it all at once into machine code, then runs the program. Think of it like translating a whole book before reading it. An interpreter reads and runs your code line by line as it goes, like translating and reading one sentence at a time. And that's it! You've just installed Python and written your very first line of code. In the next video, we'll install PyCharm, the best free Python IDE that makes coding so much easier. We will walk through the interface together so you will know exactly where everything is, and we will discover its smart tools and features that help us write code faster. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment your questions, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. See you soon!